Hello, welcome to Ellie Toys. Okay, we are building the last of the Series 1 dots sets. This is the animal picture holders, and I didn't leave this to the end deliberately, but it has actually ended up being my favorite one, I think. There are 423 pieces, which sounds like a lot till you realize that they are crazy tiny. I've put up a little bar here of how much this might be in your country. Of course, you can find it in your retail shops for a bit less than this, generally, if you search around, or if you're lucky or you get them on sale. So make sure you shop around when you're looking for Lego. Don't always buy it RRP, which is recommended retail price. Okay, so we got our bento box with all sorts of cool colors and little quarter tile pieces and square tile pieces and some interesting things in there. In here we got the instructions, which is pretty normal. Oh, that's our picture holder piece. Let's have a look. Let's investigate the instructions. Let's have a peek at them, see if they're any different to anything else. Well, they will, because they're in the instructions for the animal, the picture holders. But I'm really loving this series because basically you've got a blank canvas. You build a blank canvas, and then it is up to you. Like, the Legos put some suggestions in there, but there's no right or wrong here. You get to choose how you want to create on these blank Lego canvases that you have built yourself, which is really cool. But we got lots and lots of, well, pieces here, tiny pieces. But let's build the canvases first. And we have got 3 cubes. And they've all got this brand new, this picture tile holder. It's got a little clip. It's kind of looks the same from the top and the bottom, like where you could insert the paper. So if you wanted to install this upside down on a different creation, I think it would hold the paper exactly the same way from the top as the bottom. So that would be cool and interesting. But let's put together our little cube and see what we've got. So this one we've got some really bright pink outward facing studs going on there, putting some grey ones in the corners, and then we need to put our little corner pieces here. And we are definitely, look, there's a tiny bit of space there where you could store something really small. And lined along the top here, we've got some nice smooth tile pieces and a couple of little jumper studs. And now we get to basically put our plates on the sides. And now we have got a grey box with a little bit of a secret hidden compartment in there and a holder on the back. So that's it. We now have a grey cube, but in this bag, this is where we can characterize it. We can turn it into some sort of cute, funky animal, or really whatever you want with whatever you've got. But we'll use the pieces that are supplied in the kit. So there are eyeballs. We're going to put eyeballs. It kind of looks like a brickhead's head to me. Like a very square brickhead, like the basis of a brickhead's head. Anyway, we built one. Now we need to wash and repeat times 3. So, well, rinse and repeat, isn't it? So we got 3 of these in different colors, but the internals, like these bright pink outward facing studs and the aqua colored tiles inside, are all the same. But the rest now we've got, this is now in tan. So we're putting the tan plates all around. We've got a tan lid on there, and now we just need to put some eyeballs on. We might this one's slightly upwardly cross-eyed. Oh, you could stack them. You could like stack them on top of each other like those, what are those little tiny squishy plushies that you can stack on top? Oh my gosh, you could do a Lego version of that. Oh, that would be so cute. Plans. I had plans. I always have so many plans, but I don't always have enough hours in the day to carry them out. Okay, we're getting our white one put together. So we got grey, we got tan, we've got squeaky clean white, and put some eyeballs on this one too. Let's see if we cannot make this one cross-eyed. Now we've got 3 cute little blank cube canvases to turn into animals. Or you could make them little faces if you want. You could put mustaches on them. Let's see what we have got to decorate them with. You know my problem? There are actually too many options in here. And I struggle with too many options. I kind of only need 1 or 2. But when I've got so many, I don't even know where to start. So, well, let's open another bag. Let's just open some bags. That's always a good idea, adding some more options. We got quarter tile pieces here. We got some white dots. That one's trying to escape. Doesn't want to be on my canvas. Purple and pink. We won't open that one yet. And some cheese-coloured ones. Cheese. And some blue and some light aqua-y ones. Or as I like to call them, mint. Now, let's start with the grey cube. And we could put like some cranky eyebrows on like this. If I angled them. This is all about how you angle the pieces. It's going to make a big difference to what it looks like depending upon how you angle them. Like even just one angle change can make a huge difference. We've got some jumper studs here, which I think are for the noses. So you can actually add noses on here. Now this set does not come with a brick remover, and I don't understand why the dot sets, especially these bigger ones, don't come with brick removers. The bracelets I can understand because you can hook your fingernail under and you can flick them off. But these ones, kind of the point I think is being able to mix and match. So I would like to see a brick remover. Now we're going to put a little nose in here, and ta-da, we have built a raccoon, which was not my intention. But let's put some ears on the top. So we've got some grey cheese slope pieces we could put on the top. We've also got these little pointy roofs and some rounded ovary pieces as well. So we can use them for ears. And of course, then you can decorate all the way around. But let's just see. That's some great drawing there. That clips in so nicely. I don't think I want to use this as a photo holder. I think it'd be a really cute note holder for on my desk or at my computer, or putting in front of other people and reminding them that they need to do stuff. Yeah, it's a cute raccoon that tells you need to do stuff. It's not about to be a raccoon anymore. Let's pull it apart because in the actual pictures there is a picture of a cat, and Millie will kill me, my daughter, if I don't actually try to do it. Cat, look, I could put like, if I put those ears out like that, that kind of looks like a piggy, a grey piggy. That's concerning. Can you have grey piggies? You must be able to get grey piggies. But instead we are making a cat. We can make these little puffed out cheeky kind of things with the quarter pie pieces. That could even work for a rabbit. And a little droopy fringe, a little shaggy fringe, and a pink quarter pie piece for the nose. And now let's crack it. No, actually, let's try out these different ear options. Where's the other one? For the top. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. Okay, now let's crack open some of the other colors and let's do some patterning on the side, because this is where the fun really begins. So this is where I start to get a bit freaked out by too many options. I have too many choices. Wow, that's a hard life when you've got too many choices. We'll open up all the yellows because yellow makes me happy. Let's see, pastel or no? We're gonna go with really strong colors on the side, apart from the aqua, but the rest of the colours are nice, strong colours. We're going to make a pattern out of them. Just shout out if I get the pattern wrong, because it's likely to happen. Oh, that would make a cute nose. Should I try it? Let's try out this little dark pink nose. My goodness, that kind of, it changes the whole look. Now it kind of looks like a puppy. Oh, I could turn it into a tongue. I could put it down here and make it like a derpy tongue. And put this little one in with the triangle pointing upwards. I think it looks a little bit more cat-like. So just changing one tile or the angle of a tile can completely change the look of your little animal. Now, I'm going to try and replicate this pattern on the other side, which is why I took my original one off for reference, because otherwise I forget stuff. Okay, so we've got, it's very rainbowy, this kitty. Now, I'm not sure what to do on the top. Maybe we just kind of do the same thing. It could actually look a little bit like the most colourful hedgehog spines. Do hedgehogs have spines? Yeah, hedgehog spines as well. It looks, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you could do so much with this. But we've got ourselves a little grey rainbow kitty. Let's decorate the tan square. And on the picture, there's actually a picture of a pug, and let's see what happens if we just muck about with this a bit. Just alter it a tiny bit. So if we put a half circle over here, we could use that for, oh no, that looks strange. So maybe we could, if we put, let's just finish putting these here. If we put the little curvy pieces down the bottom, they would look like teeth. Now it's a hamster. Some sort of rodent. I think it needs roundy over ears. Oh my goodness, these are totally derpy and so cute. Right, but I wasn't aiming for a hamster. Oh, now I want to do a monkey. If I put that little black, oh, it looks like a monkey. Okay, so I've given up on actually making the pug. I could put these ears on the, which ears? The ones, they look like droopy ears. Maybe these roundy, oh my goodness, it's a monkey. I just accidentally made a monkey without intending to, and that's what I think. Maybe we should, no, that doesn't work. That looks like little droopy puppy dog ears. We need to go back to these roundy these roundy pieces. Oh my goodness. Right, now what do you decorate a monkey with these colors? Maybe we've got a lot of yellow. Let's banana him up. Let's make some kind of... Oh no, hold on. How are we gonna... I hate the fact I cannot get these on straight. It needs a lot of fiddling to try and line them up. But let's mix up our light yellow with our darker yellow and make some banana-y things on the side. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so cute. Maybe that would look better on the top. Maybe he needs a banana head now. Oh, that is just too cute, except it cannot handle the fact they're not straight. But that will just do for now. What if I put these under here? What does that look like? That looks really cute. Ah, that's a happy accident. All right, I'm going to leave the monkey alone. We're going to move on to the little white one. Now, in the picture there's poodles. So, I don't know, once again, I'm going to put some things on and see what it starts looking like. But if we start with these droopy bits down here, though they can kind of look like little puffs. I wonder if we could make a sheep. Wonder if we could make this one be the cutest little sheep. A little white sheep. We'll see. We'll see what turns out looking like. Pink cheeks is perfect because we haven't tried that yet. Got a dark pink. That looks weird. Oh, that's wrong. Okay, maybe we... What other choices have we got? Maybe we take that off for now and just keep kind of decorating down the bottom, and then maybe the nose will just happen. Maybe it'll just magically tell me what it wants to be. What if we try a grey? Oh, that looks terrible. In the actual demonstration pictures, there's a picture of a black quarter tile piece. And I can't find one here at all. Look, here are the like your ideas. That's so cute on the actual plan, but I can't see that black quarter tile piece for a nose, and that would go so nicely. Okay, let's move on from there for now. Let's see what else we could put down. I want a whole heap of these little white dots just to make it look like wool, but maybe if we have I'm calling this a llama. It's a little white llama. Maybe we could put some pastels on with these purple pastely pieces. They're so pretty. Pretty purple pastely pieces. Let's continue this pattern along with the light aqua pieces, and we'll make them go all the way to the edge. I haven't properly explored all of the patterns you can make with these shapes, but maybe I could put... Does our llama need more like little fluffy bits on the side? What do you think? What if we put these on the side like big... I don't know whether he's got two ears. Let's change this over to... Oh, that's horrible. That doesn't work at all. Maybe just a little black button nose. I think that... No, I think... no, the noses, they're not the noses. No, the noses are failing. That's the best one, I think. It's the best of a bad bunch, right? So let's go back to making our cool pattern on the side, and we'll do a similar thing down here with some more white pieces. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Should we try and we'll do that on the other side? See, magic now. Now, what are we gonna do on the top? What shall we do on the top? I want some more of these. No, okay, it's not gonna happen. I don't have enough of those little half circle ones to be able to do what I wanted to do down the bottom, so we'll just ignore that thought. Let's make a cute pattern on the top to finish off our llama. There's a llama or an alpaca? I don't know. I think it's just fluffy and cute, and they look similar enough that it could be either in this Lego version. There we go. Oh, he's very cute. So now we have got 3 different animals that have been through a few different incarnations while we've just been busy fiddling with these. And I want to just add a few bits of brown up here on top of our monkey just to fill him out a bit. I wonder if I can do it now. It does look a bit more like bananas. Woo! Except, how do I know? I don't have another brown one. This is not gonna help Maybe we could have that bit, that's that bit of hair that doesn't actually flatten down. Maybe not, let's just leave that for now, and I'll get one of those out of my stash so that I can actually finish up my monkey. But look at this! Don't they make the cutest little note, like little reminder holders? They're adorable. These are my favourite dots from series 1, and I didn't think they would be when I started. They are super derpy and super creative. They're lots and lots of fun. All right, now is the time to subscribe because we have run out of content for this video. It's time to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think of the little dots animals and what you might possibly build out of those pieces. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. So I will see you then. Bye.